Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be changing Ruby's shoes. We got her some new wheels from Late Model Restoration, and today we're gonna do the review, guys. So I already opened one box, so you're not gonna get my first reaction to them, but you know, it's the review for you guys. Oh yeah, you guys ready? Another review. Let's just do it. Already? Yes, sir. They always come through, they send you lug nuts and stuff. So oh, nice. This is a first. They never send me badges like these, but Loki want to put it on my car now. So I think it's pretty cool. SVE stands for Special Vehicle Equipment. Reminds me of SVT, which is Special Vehicle Team. It's pretty lit, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, it looks nice, guys. Looks real clean. Definitely the look I was going for. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and do the same thing for the rest, and we should be good to go. And I really need to clean my undercarriage, but y'all ready? this side is done, go ahead and breathe it in. For sure, pictures are gonna look nice. Follow the Instagram if you guys want to see some pictures of the wheels. Yes sir. And from the last video, if you guys haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it. I installed the carbon fiber deck lid. We installed it with some JB Weld, not your typical 3M. Go ahead and watch that. Yeah guys. Also, I didn't do a video, but I did install the RTR license plate holder, so I think the rear end's looking pretty good, guys. Alright, 2 more to go. Yo, imagine it had bags. It'd be something like this. Airing out. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. It got really hot outside. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures and upload them to Instagram. And if you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys the next time.